Should I submit a statement from my family in support of my ERISA long-term disability claim? Maybe. I'm not really a big fan of statements unless it addresses some material issue in your claim that the carrier or plan wants information about. Just sending in a sworn statement that says you can't work, that you're struggling, that you're a saint, that you've been a great provider, that you could work only if you could, none of that really counts. The statement that you submit may inadvertently contradict what you have told the insurance carrier or plan in writing in terms of the forms that you're filling out. Worse yet, that statement could contradict something in your medical records or the forms that your doctor has submitted. Worse yet, it might even contradict your social media posts that you still haven't taken down or are still posting. This is going to create a whole host of unwelcome problems. So I suggest that you avoid sending in statements. Now, if you're going to do it, is there a good time? Well, yes, but only if your lawyer drafts or reviews that statement and it addresses something that the carrier plan has seized on or is questioning in your claim. A statement for a purpose is better than a statement for a statement's sake, so don't make a mistake. If you have any questions about your rights to ERISA disability benefits, give me a call at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I look forward to helping you get the disability benefits you deserve regardless of where you live in the United States, regardless of your carrier, and regardless of your medical condition. 727-894-3188.